So till now we have covered a lot about managing files and creating files, and also right now we have covered about networking. But let's now cover about sudo privileges. So what are sudo privileges and sudo user or a root user? Basically, root user or sudo user is something what a normal user cannot be. A normal user cannot edit a file that is created by a root user. So let's check that practically. So we are on our terminal and let's create some file using sudo. So we will create a touch file. We will use touch to create an empty file and I will name it as vuln file, and let's enter. Let's type ls, and as you can see we have vuln file right here and it is right now empty. If we check if it is empty or not, we will type cat vuln file and as you can see it is empty. So now let's write something in it as a normal user. So we will type nano vuln file and we will press enter, and as you can see you have a message right down there that this file is unwritable because we are not a root user. So let's exit from this terminal and try editing it as a sudo user. So we will type sudo nano vuln file, and now we have our access to the text editor and we will write here hello, I'm Suyash Pandey, control plus so, enter, control x exit, and now we will see if it is written inside it or not. So as you can see here it is written hello, I am Suyash Pandey. Now let's try altering this. So we will try nano vuln file again, and as you can see this file is unwritable. Actually we can write a lot of thing in this, but we cannot save this, and as you can see the permission is denied. So as you can see we cannot edit a file that is written by a sudo user. And let me show you something. So if you want to create everything as a sudo user, you have to type sudo every time, right? But what if I tell you you won't have to write sudo every time and you can normally create anything as a sudo user? You just have to type sudo su command and now you are a root user. As you can see, the name of your username that was Kali is now changed to root because you are not a normal user right now, you are a root user, you are a sudo user. So now whatever you create in this, it will be indestructible. So this is for this lecture. Until here we have completed everything about Linux. From the next section we are going to start our practical hacking, our penetration testing. I hope you are excited for that.